One of the features of our dictionary is the search function. You can search in 3 languages: Kabuverdianu, English, and Portuguese. If you were to search in English, let's take for example the word house. You just wait for your results to populate, and afterwards, if you notice down here, you have the word for house, home or house, which is casa. Now let's see if we can search this in Portuguese. So you type in the word in Portuguese. Okay. And once again, you see the different options pop up. Okay. So in Portuguese, you'll also see the word casar because it's searching the C-A-S-A. And once again, right over here, you have the word casa, C-A-S-A. Let's see if we can find this in Capeverdean. So we're going to go ahead and type in casa again, K-A-Z-A. And once again, we have the word casa here, but we're looking for the word for house. So we just scroll down and we'll see the definition that we're actually looking for. Now you may wonder, why is it again that there are so many different results that come up just for one word? This is because the search function not only searches the definition of a word, but it searches the example sentences that may have been given for a word. For example, in this word antigo, which means old or ancient, once you click on the word, you notice that the example sentence that was given has the word casa. This is just one of the many functions that makes our dictionary ideal for learners. You're able to use 3 different languages to search, and you're also able to see example sentences where certain words are used. And that can just expand your vocabulary and give you a better idea of the different uses that you may have for a word.